wire to the back of this painting. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my ruler and I'm going to measure it. It's 20 inches. I divide 20 inches by 4. That'll give me a fourth of the way down, and it is 5 inches. And I've already marked it right here. And the same, it's marked on the other side right here. I'll take my hanger, line the hole up with the line that I did, put a screw in here, put a little pressure on the screw, take my power screwdriver. You want to be careful with this, make sure it's going forward. Screw that in. Okay, same on the opposite side. Okay, there's that. Find the center. Give it a little bit of a pinch so I know where it is. And I'm going to feed my wire through from the top. Feed my wire through from the top. I want my wire a little below my stretcher bar, so that's why I'm keeping the center there. When I find where I want it, I'm going to give it a little pinch, and I'll give it a pinch on the other side. And then I'll take this wire and I'll wrap it around, come back through the ring, and then wrap it or poke it through. And fish my wire in like this. Okay. I'll do the same thing on the other side. I poke it through, wrap it around, come back up through, feed it back to the other side. There's my puppy out there crying, so I'm going to try to hurry. And if the wire's where you want it, and it's pretty close, I might come in a little bit more. And if you need to change it, you just push your wire in and pull it out like this. And sometimes you need to use your pliers. Needle nose work really good for this because you can get into the little places. And I want to keep it organized and neat, so I'm going to move it. And then I can grab it and tug it. I need to pull it a little bit more here, so it feeds through. And that's about where I want it, both sides. I'm going to tug it tight, push it in, and then after I do that, I'm going to just wrap both sides. And you want the spiny parts of the wire to kind of be tucked in. So as I'm wrapping, I'll just keep twirling it around. You can go tight with it next to the other. Reminds me a little bit of fixing fence outside for my horses. And this is not a heavy painting. These are not heavy hangers. There are heavier hangers there that are larger, but we don't need to put on such a heavy one. So I'm just going to go around. If this is too long, feel free to cut it. You can mostly take the length and just twist, and then check and see your height, and voila, there it is.